Everyone, this is Glenn with Connect2geek. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo on our newest product called Traitware. It is a true multi-factor authentication tool. You may have heard of two-factor authentication. That's typically where you go to a website, put in your email address, password, and it's text, either sends you a text with a 6-digit code, or you have to put in a six-digit code generated by Google Authenticator, Duo, any of those types of apps. But that's two-factor authentication, and that's good. What I'm showing you today is actually three-factor authentication, and we can do up to 5, but this is true multi-factor authentication. And in today's demo, this is going to be a login to Windows. This also works with Keeper, Office 365, and quite a growing list of other apps. But the future is passwordless access, and that means no more passwords for websites like Office 365. Might sound like an oxymoron, but even passwordless access to a password manager like Keeper. So I'm going to show you all 3 of those actually today. But first, we're going to show you a typical Windows device. So here's a more typical Windows PC where you have a user, we have an admin and a kid user, and a password, of course. And that's the traditional way to do things. But we have something a little different in this Traitware demo that I'm going to show you. As you notice, there is no users listed. This is something that's set up and done in the background with Traitware. So basically, when you want to log in, instead of entering a username and password now, and this has got a really long password associated with it, so it's, as hack-proof as you can get in today's world. But anyway, when you want to log in, you just click on this arrow. It's going to display a QR code, and I'm going to open up my Traitware account on my phone, and it's going to authenticate me, scan my face, scan the QR code, and log me in. It's that quick. It's very, very fast, and much easier than entering big, long passwords and stuff. But it also works with other things, again, like Office 365. Now on mine, it's still going to send me the text message because I haven't turned that off yet. But if I go to office.com and I want to have a secure login experience too that's passwordless, I don't have to actually log into my Office 365 account. I selected my name because I'd logged in here previously. Same process. I'm going to go a little slower this time so you can see it. But so I open up my app, it scans my face, and then I get this QR code thing if you look at my phone. And then as soon as I touch that QR code, it logs me in. And again, I haven't turned this text message thing off yet, so it is going to send me a text message on my phone, which is fine. And I enter that as well. Technically, I guess that would be 4-factor authentication. So, but makes your Office 365 extremely secure. And then same thing on our Keeper app. If I want to log into my password manager for those websites that don't support single sign-on or passwordless access, same thing here again. We'll go slow. So instead of having to enter a username and password, I bring up my phone, it does a facial rec on my thing, on my face, and then I'm gonna just scan that like so. Went a little bit slower that time so you could see it. And now I'm logged into my password manager so that it can autofill all those websites and stuff that, that still require a username and password. So that is the future, going totally passwordless, or as close as we can get so far until everybody supports that kind of technology, but we're getting there. So, Traitware works with Office 365, Google Suite, Dropbox, obviously Keeper. There's other password managers that it integrates with. Basically, if it supports the single sign-on, you may have heard of a term called SSO, or some kind of passwordless technology that has certain features. Good chance the Traitware app can be integrated with it. So, yeah, I've done this for my own computers and my own setup. So essentially, I never have to enter a password again, and that has been wonderful. So anyway, just quick demo for everyone, and have a good day.